Hey everybody, it's Aiden, Dad, and Mom. Aiden's gonna unbox his packages that he got from eBay, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
This is the first package.
Alright. Let's see what's in there.
What is this?
I have a feeling it might be some wind-up toys. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Ooh, they sent a card.
Don't read it.
Oh, okay. Just set that over here, buddy. I'll read it later. So we gotta focus the camera, I think, buddy. There you go. Ooh.
That's a gecko.
Oh, cool.
Let's unbox the next one.
Okay.
That's a blue dinosaur.
Yes, it is.
Oh, there we go. I got it. It's okay now. It's a little fuzzy, but now it's okay.
Let's unbox the next package.
Be careful of that knife, buddy. It's awful sharp.
That's a sticker.
Is that a seal?
Yeah.
He's got a ball on his nose, huh? I like it. Alright. For the next one.
The second package.
Third. What's inside our third package, buddy? Oh, it's the dancing dude. Is that a Ninja Turtle?
That's Larry.
Yeah, he's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, right?
No, he's a slider.
Oh, okay.
We'll be right back with part 2.
Okay.